classes पाठवता standard 10 subject science part 2nd chapter 2nd life process in living organism part 1st concepts. Living organism living organism, there are different systems in the human body. They are function in coordination with each other. For this action they need constant supply of energy. For example, bird, insect, animal, trees, human beings as the few example of living things, as they have the some characteristics feather like eating, breathing, reproduction, growth and develop, etc.
Plant are autotrophic. They synthesis one food by photosynthesis after outdoing some for their one needs the remaining food is stored life process.
For fruits, jaggery, cane sugar, vegetables, sweet potatoes, etc.
Organism of energy production definition. A living organism respiration has two levers as body cellular levers and oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the body. This is called the living organism of energy production. Glucosic, the process of a glucosic is a, the process of a glucosic is a occurs of a protoplans and molecules of the glucosics and oxygen is step by step this process and two molecules of each ATP, NADH2 and water are formed. This condition is called glucosics. Tricarboxylic acid cycle. Both molecules of mitochondria acetyl-CoA enter the mitochondria. Cyclic chain of a reaction are called as tricarboxylic acid cycle is operated in the mitochondria.
Electron transfer chain reaction concept. The molecule of NADH2 and FADH2 from during all above participate in electron transfer chain reaction from NADH2 molecule 3 molecule of ATP from FADH2 molecule 2 molecule of ATP are during this cycle reaction.
Form of ATP adenosine full form of ATP adenosine triphosphate FADH2 fluorine adenosine dinucleotide. Full form of NADH2 nicotine adenosine dinucleotide. Definition of currency energy as per the need of energy by breaking by phosphor bond of ATP, hence is called currency energy.
Process of energy production through aerobic respiration of carbohydrates, lipids and fats. Lipids, carbohydrates, proteins. Lipids, fatty acid, carbohydrates, glycolysis, proteins, amino acid. Glycolysis, pyruvic acid, fatty acid and amino acid creates acetic coenzyme creates Krebs cycle CO2 plus H2O plus energy.
Aerobic respiration in living organism. Pyruvic acid fermentation, alcohol, yeast, glycolysis, pyruvic acid fermentation, difference product, vinegar, vitamin, virus microbes, pyruvic acid fermentation, lactic acid, erythrocytes, calls.
Energy from different food components. Excess of carbohydrates is stored in liver and muscles in the form of glycose. Proteins of animal origin are considered to be first class protein. Each protein provides 4 kilocalorie of energy.
I am Aditya telling you vitamins. Vitamins, definition of vitamins. Vitamins are a group of the heterogeneous compounds which is the entire process from proper various process in the body is called the vitamins. Two types of vitamins are
Types of vitamins: water soluble and fat soluble. The vitamins A, D, E, and E is the water fat soluble vitamins, and the C and B vitamins are water soluble vitamins.
Hello friends, my topic was the mitosis, somatic cells and the stem cells divided by the mitosis. The process of mitosis is completed through two main steps. The first one was the cryokinesis, nuclear division, and the second one was the cytokinesis, cytoplasmic division. The process of karyokinesis is completed through four main steps. The steps are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Thanks.
Phase condensation like thread like chromosomes thin, short and thick. Formation of sister chromatid begin. Duplication of centrioles and movement of centrioles leads to opposite poles of the cells. Metaphase nucleus membranes are clearly disappear with metaphase. Chromosomes completely invisible along with sister chromatids. All the chromosomes are arranged parallel to plan of the cells.
Anaphase. Each set of the chromosome reach at two opposite poles of the cell, separated by the chromosomes.
Telophase. Chromosomes reach at the opposite poles of the cell and their recombinations beginnings and spiral fibers completely disappear.
Meiosis is first meiosis is completed two stage, first meiosis and second meiosis, each first recombination.
Classes part of this video. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you friends.